Hey everyone, good morning. Just a quick question. How many of us have seen acrobats and gymnasts perform in the circus or on the streets? I'm sure all of us have. So today's story is about a father and daughter duo who performed acrobats on the street and earned their living. Father's name was Raj and daughter Medha. And they performed these tasks and these feats every day, and that is how they earned their daily bread. What they exactly did was, Raj, the father, used to balance a tall pole on his head. He placed it over his head, balanced it, and the small little girl Medha used to quickly climb the pole and stay on the top while Raj walked the ground. Imagine how risky and dangerous. They had to actually devote their complete attention, focus, and concentration to maintain that balance. Otherwise, there was always a risk of falling and failing. It was a high risk feat that they performed. One day, the father, Raj, he was a bit concerned. So he called his daughter and asked her in Hindi. He told her in Hindi, in fact, कि बेटा अगली बार जब हम परफॉर्म करेंगे ना, हम एक काम करेंगे, मैं आप पे नज़र रखूँगा, आप मुझ पे नज़र रखना. इससे क्या होगा, कंसंट्रेशन बना रहेगा, फोकस बना रहेगा और हम बैलेंस भी कर पाएंगे. तो आप मुझ पे ध्यान रखो, मैं आप पे ध्यान रखूँगा और इससे गिरने का खतरा कम होगा और हम अच्छे पैसे भी कमा लेंगे. To this, the daughter Medha immediately replied. She was a small little kid but very wise. She immediately replied, पापा, मुझे क्या लगता है, हमें एक दूसरे का ध्यान रखने से अच्छा खुद का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. अगर मैंने खुद का ध्यान रखा, खुद पे नज़र रखी, खुद पे फोकस रखा, तो ऑटोमेटिकली मैं दोनों पे ध्यान रख रही हूँ. सो मुझे लगता है एक दूसरे पे ध्यान रखने से अच्छा हमें खुद का काम खुद का ध्यान अच्छा रखना चाहिए, जिससे दोनों का परफॉर्मेंस सही जाएगा, बैलेंस भी बना रहेगा, हम गिरेंगे भी नहीं और डबल कमाई करेंगे. So this was a quick reply and this was a quick little conversation that happened between father and daughter. So from this story, what are we learning? The learning is the wise daughter had given a life advice to her father. This is what exactly happens in our life. We try to watch over others. We try to control others. We try to watch over others to balance our life. Instead, what we need to do is just watch over ourselves. Focus on ourselves. If you give your best, it automatically reminds others to give their best. Why control others? Instead, just manage yourself. Example, in a family, if the father manages himself very well, keeps control on himself, focuses on his work, focuses on his discipline and routine and his personality, the entire family is automatically going to give their best. He need not remind, he need not control his kids at all, because the kids observe, kids watch, and they automatically learn. So in this world, the only thing that you can change is yourself. Don't try to change the world. Just change yourself, focus on yourself, be mindful of yourself, watch over yourself, and everything else will fall in place. Since I started the We Are Listening campaign, I have received maximum questions to which I have answered the same. Questions with regards to how do I control my kid, what do I do with my girlfriend, questions about I am a bit insecure about this particular person, he said this, how should I respond? All these questions, the answer is same. You can only control your response. You can only watch over yourself. So control the controllable and do not focus on the uncontrollable. If you are mindful, if you give your best, everybody else will be automatically reminded of giving their best. So watch over yourself instead. So with this, I would like to thank everybody for a wonderful, wonderful response given to We Are Listening campaign through LinkedIn messages and Insta chats that I received. Let your questions keep coming, and thank you so much. Everyone, have a fantastic day.